Hi friends, this is Sagar from my SVA Fitness 5 and this fitness I bring for you. So let's come with me. Today topic is warm up and why we do warm up, that is also I explain you. Warm up we are start because we need to increase our core temperature. We increase our core temperature and blood circulation to all muscles group. So this is the important things before you start your main exercise. So today we start with 10 exercise and this 10 exercise are warm up exercise. So let's start with me with 10 warm up exercise. So we ready with the first exercise. We start for a twisting. So we do with the twisting and this is legs apart, hands this way and start with the movement side to side. So this way, exhale, exhale, stretch your side, stretch your waist, stretch your shoulder. So this twisting you can start and you can complete for 15 to 20 this way. Okay. After this we go for a second exercise and second exercise we start with this way. Keep your legs little bit apart so you can make a proper balance of your body weight and start with the flick hand backside. So this way and flick 1, 2. Raise your calf, that also work out your calf muscles. So this is for a shoulder and back. So you count, exhale, exhale, inhale here, exhale. This way you can do 15 to 20 repetition. Repetition should be 15 to 20. This help your shoulder and back to warm up your back and shoulder muscles. After this we complete. Now we go with the third exercise. Third exercise is a side bending. So you go with side to side. 1, 2. So same hands you can down this side. Exhale, exhale, exhale. This is the most important for your side. So you working out side bending, lower waist and your stomach. So this way you can do same 15 to 20 counts. When you down, exhale, inhale here, exhale here. So this is our third exercise. Now we go a fourth exercise. Fourth exercise we can start with the bending position and this we go this way. This much, exhale. Here is important things for you. Always bend your knee. When you bend your knee, so your hip go more backside. So pressure not coming on your lumbar or you can say a back, a lower back. So always remember anything we can do, bend your knee, inhale, exhale. After this we go with the forward bending, full down, 1, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. This you can do for a 10 repetition. So these are the exercise are a complete stretch your upper and lower. So after this we go for a knee up. So basic knee up. You can lift your knee till your chest there also, but we not go directly with the chest. We go with the slowly move. So keep going with 15 to 20 same here and exhale when you lift. This is important for your hips and your core muscles. So we are working out from the lower again. So this we can do 15 to 20. After this we go with the side stretch with 1, keep it up, cross your legs, 2, 3, here important thing, you raise and stretch your stomach and back. 4, exhale. 5, here inhale, down exhale, up inhale, same this count 10 times. So this we can do 10 times. Now after this we go with the back rotation hands with the back legs. So this way just see, 1, keep your legs back side with rotation hands, keep breathe in, breathe out. Always do breathe in, breathe out. It's help to improve your lung efficiency and your heart, because we can't see our internal organs how they move, but we do a proper breathe, it's work on your lungs and heart. So this way you can do again 10 to 15 counts. Now we go back and chest. So this way, legs apart, hands this way, open your chest, exhale, exhale. This is for the back and chest. Full chest stretch, Complete. Inhale, exhale. So this also you can do for a 10 counts, and 10 to 15 you can increase your repetition. So we are starting with first, then we go with the second exercise, flip hands, then we go with the third exercise, side to sides, then we go with the fourth, and then complete down, and then stretch up, pull your stomach, completely stretch. This exercise also you can add for the warm up also. So this exercise we done from first to 10. So this warm up exercise you can start before you start your main exercise. So remember, warm up help to improve your core muscles, start your core temperatures, always your blood circulation. So this exercise we are doing for the before the main exercise. So always remember, warm up you can start with this. So there are so many variations with warm up exercise. We can see our next video. Till then watch SVFI Fitness Sagar Gulatkar. Subscribe these channels. This is my new channels. So we are meeting after next video. Okay. So let's start and bye. Let's start your workout and bye. See you.